Humans produce a variety of hormones, each with specific functions in the regulation of bodily processes. Here are some key human hormones and their functions. Insulin, produced by the pancreas. Insulin regulates blood sugar levels by facilitating the uptake of glucose into cells. Glucagon, also produced by the pancreas. Glucagon increases blood sugar levels by promoting the release of glucose from the liver. Thyroid hormones, T3 and T4, produced by the thyroid gland. These hormones regulate metabolism, energy production, and growth. Cortisol, another hormone produced by the adrenal glands. Cortisol plays a role in the body's stress response and helps regulate metabolism and immune function. Growth hormone, GH, produced by the pituitary gland. GH stimulates growth, cell reproduction, and regeneration. Melatonin, produced by the pineal gland. Melatonin regulates the sleep-wake cycle and is involved in the body's circadian rhythms. Progesterone, also produced by the ovaries. Progesterone is involved in the menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and maintaining the uterine lining. Testosterone, produced by the testes in males and in smaller amounts by the ovaries in females. Testosterone is a key male sex hormone. It contributes to the development of male reproductive organs, secondary sexual characteristics, and plays a role in muscle development. Oxytocin, produced by the hypothalamus and released by the pituitary gland. Oxytocin is involved in social bonding, childbirth, and breastfeeding. Serotonin, while not a traditional hormone, serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in mood regulation, sleep, and appetite. These hormones work together in a complex system to maintain homeostasis and ensure the proper functioning of the body's various systems and processes. Hormonal imbalances can lead to a variety of health issues, and hormone levels can be influenced by factors such as stress, diet, and genetics.